In this video, I'll show you a simple formula to convert any date into its corresponding quarter in Excel. So instead of using nested if statements in Excel, you could actually use a much simpler formula. The thing is, nested if statements can quickly become messy, and Excel even has a limit on how many conditions you can stack together. Here we have a data set consisting of a series of dates, and as you can see, it's a relatively large data set, so it has lots of dates. And what we want to do is we want to extract the quarter from each of these dates. So we want to extract the quarter in a format such as the one that's currently displayed on the screen. Now, one solution is the if statement, but as mentioned, there's a limit as to how many conditions we can put in an if statement. In this video, I'll show you a cleaner approach that uses the month, roundup, and year functions to automatically convert any date into its corresponding quarter in this format. And that formula is currently displayed on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it first. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, the formula has correctly returned the quarter in the same format that we wanted it. In this case, it's Q4 of 2022. Now let's drag this all the way down. It's been successfully applied, and upon inspection, you can see that it's been applied correctly, and it's given us the quarter to which each of these dates belong to. This formula works by first extracting the month from the dates, and then it divides it by 3 because each quarter has 3 months. And then it uses the roundup formula to determine the correct quarter number. And last but not least, we combine that with the year to produce a result such as, for example, Q4 2022 or any other dates. And that's how it works. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.